Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for mobile photographers, promising to transform your smartphone snapshots into professional quality images. From lenses that expand creative possibilities to stabilizing gimbals that eliminate shaky footage and external microphones that capture crisp audio, there's a vast array of tools designed to unlock the full potential of your iPhone's camera, regardless of your skill level, turning casual clicks into captivating content. Number 5. SquidGrip Phone Tripod. Tired of shaky videos and awkward angles? SquidGrip is here to revolutionize your mobile photography. Its flexible legs and rock-solid grip let you capture the perfect shot from anywhere. Wrap it around anything, lamps, trees, even chairs. Its textured neo-rubber legs provide a secure hold, ensuring your phone stays put, no matter the angle. It's lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion. Yet, it's incredibly strong, capable of holding even a DSLR camera. From iPhones and Androids to Samsungs and Pixels, it's compatible with virtually any smartphone. It's the only tripod you'll ever need. The 360-degree ball head lets you position your phone in countless ways. Capture stunning photos and videos from any angle imaginable, even straight down. We stand behind our product. If it breaks or you're not completely satisfied, we'll replace or refund it, no questions asked. What we like. It has flexible legs that can be wrapped around almost anything for the perfect shot, and it's portable enough to take anywhere. If you need a versatile tripod for various shooting locations and angles, this is the one for you. Its universal compatibility ensures it works with all your devices, now and in the future. What people say. It's also a lot more versatile than other tripods. It will fit any size of phone. The ball attachment is actually made of real metal, which is very rare nowadays with so many products made of plastic, and we all know that plastic does not hold up well over time and use. Quality materials, cut and dried usage, all manner of setup possibilities. Number 4. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Lens Kit. Expand your mobile photography with this versatile kit. It includes a variety of lenses and a selfie light to enhance your photos and videos. This kit has everything you need to capture stunning images. It comes with 14 different lenses, plus a selfie ring light with adjustable brightness. They're crafted with high-quality glass for sharp, clear images with minimal distortion. Get ready for professional-looking results. Experiment with wide-angle, telephoto, macro, and fisheye lenses to capture unique perspectives. You can even add kaleidoscope, starburst, and radial effects. It's designed to fit most smartphones, making it a versatile addition to your photography gear. Easily clip it on and start shooting. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. Capture stunning photos and videos with ease and express your creativity like never before. What we like. This kit boasts 14 different lenses, each crafted with high-quality glass for sharp images. If you are looking for a variety of creative shooting options to enhance your mobile photography, this is your best bet. The diverse effects allow you to capture unique perspectives and styles. Number 3. Phone Lens Kit, 11 lenses. Unleash your inner photographer with this versatile lens kit. It's designed to transform your smartphone photos, adding creative flair to every shot. This kit has 11 lenses to capture any moment. From stunning wide-angle shots to intricate macro details, it offers unparalleled versatility. Experience superior image quality thanks to the high-quality optical glass. It minimizes distortion and glare, ensuring crisp, clear photos. The universal clip makes attaching it to your phone a breeze. Switch between lenses quickly and easily to capture the perfect shot. It works with virtually any smartphone, tablet, or even some iPads. It's compatible with both front and rear cameras. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us for a hassle-free resolution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It offers 11 different lenses in a compact and portable design. If you're a mobile photographer who wants a comprehensive lens kit without the bulk, this is perfect. The high-quality glass ensures your photos are sharp and clear. What people say. They all feel high quality and the effects they produce are all great. They all do what they set out to do and are extremely easy to swap out and store. There are lenses for just about anything you want to do with your cell phone creation. The lens easily attach with a minimal of effort. The lenses come in their own black zippered carry case and are well ordered inside the case. Most of the lenses can be rotated, so you can control the direction of the effect, which is neat. Number 2. Ulanzi U Rig Pro. It's a simple yet versatile smartphone video rig, perfect for on-the-go filmmakers. It's designed to easily attach to your phone and enhance your video recording capabilities. With 3 cold shoe mounts, you can add microphones, lights, and more. This gives you the flexibility to customize your setup for any shooting scenario. It features side and bottom 1/4-inch holes, allowing you to mount it to a tripod vertically or horizontally. Capture the perfect shot, no matter the orientation. It's a more affordable and user-friendly alternative to a gimbal. Get smooth, professional-looking videos for your Facebook or YouTube live streams. It fits most smartphones between 2 and 3.35 inches wide. This includes many popular models from Apple, Samsung, Google, and more. You'll receive one Ulanzi U Rig Pro, ready to transform your smartphone into a powerful filmmaking tool. Start creating amazing videos today. What we like. This rig provides multiple mounting points for accessories and offers a stable platform for shooting videos. If you're on a budget and need a simple yet effective stabilizer for smooth videos, this is a great choice. It's perfect for creating professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. What people say. It's plastic, but it's made fairly sturdy. The spring-loaded clamp on it is super sturdy and your phone is going to stay in it through 90% of situations. I have a Pixel 2 XL, it's huge and it fits in the clamps snugly. Love the hot shoes and the threaded holes across the top. It's one of the only things I've found that has mounts for lights external mics. The bottom is flat and smooth, so if you aren't mounting it to a tripod, you can sit it flat on a table and it will not knock over for the most part. Great rig, lightweight but durable. Used with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, holds firm once adjusted. It has 4 1/4-20 mounts, 2 on the top, 1 of the bottom centered and 1 on the side centered. The centered mounts allow this to be mounted on a tripod horizontally or vertically. There are also 3 cold shoe mounts on the top. All of these provide a wealth of connection options for lights, mics, and/or another small camera. The spring-loaded phone mount is made of a nice, grippy rubber that holds your phone securely without scratches. Number 1. Ulanzi CG01 Phone Tripod Mount. It's designed to fit comfortably in your hand, giving you a secure grip and a professional camera feel. Its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere. This mount includes a wireless remote shutter, perfect for selfies and group photos from up to 33 feet away. No app download is required for easy connection. It features a standard 1/4 screw and cold shoe mount, allowing you to add accessories like lights or microphones. It also works with most smartphones on the market. It's adjustable to fit a wide range of phone sizes, compatible with most phones from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy models. You can easily adjust it to fit your device securely. It includes a built-in magnetic mirror with a 10x wide-angle magnification. This handy feature lets you use it as a vanity mirror on the go. What we like. This tripod mount offers one-handed operation and includes a detachable remote for easy selfies and group photos. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is for you. The universal compatibility ensures it works with most smartphones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.